I almost bought 3 places with not much idea on how I was meant to do it. Until I got your system down, I may have kept at 421834 repeat for too long. Now you won't understand what that means, but there are 10 steps in the PACE system in the process of purchasing. So PACE, preparation, action, commitment, execution. But there are 10 steps within those phase. So you actually online, if you go to our website and we'll put a link, you can see the actual 10 steps within the process, and you will understand 421834 is the total incorrect way to buy a property.
It's full and truly getting the steps in the wrong order.
I love it.
His next takeaway, I was and perhaps still am obsessed with step 4, right? Which is action, search and inspect. That is step 4, right? Your steps made me stop, keep it getting 1 and 2 right before I would spend too much time on the app searching for places I was not ready to buy, wasting time not getting ready. So that's an amazing takeaway.
Such a big takeaway, because for people who do like property, and there are lots and lots of people that love looking at property, getting on the apps, having a look at the pictures, looking at all those sorts of things, going to inspections, that is a really, really fun process for a lot of people. For a lot of people, it's not, and that's totally okay. But for a lot of people, that's the fun, sexy bit. And I guess what we're trying to do, and what James's takeaway is there is so much you need to do and review and keep getting right before you actually get to that point, because you can get yourself so far off track. So fabulous observation.
His next observation is one of our property principles, and that is easy to buy, hard to sell. So he's been able to observe that throughout the process.
And I guess that unit that he looked at, that he saw the resale of down the track, that was a really good example of that. That could have been really easy for him to buy, like really easy. To buy, but obviously it was hard to sell, and that's indicated by a loss, a price loss or a cost loss, even in a rising market. So that principle of easy to buy, hard to sell, if it's a really strong, fast-moving market, but you can buy something really easily for a price that you think's a bargain, then when it comes time to sell, there's probably some objections, some issues, some things that can't be overcome that other people are going to look at and say, I don't want that. There's something better for me.
Yep. And they do. When the market turns, they do.